fuck did that come from?
What was that?
Where did it come from?
I'm not sure. I was looking back over here.
Huh?
I want to talk to you guys. I saw it come down. Like bird seed.
Yeah, we were just standing right here the whole time.
Hello? Where did it come from? The house?
I think the other side. I'm not sure.
It's bird seed.
Go to the other side.
I don't even see anybody over there.
That's bird food.
I thought it was rice, but no, I think it is bird food. Got all in my shoe.
That's weird, man. I'm gonna get somebody. That's weird.
Probably is a blessing that comes from.
No, who the hell throws that like?
Covered in
All I
bird
can
feed.
think is somebody took a bird feed bag and threw it.
I mean,
There's no bird feed up here.
no.
But who the hell will be up there and just throw food down when there's people here?
Because as soon as that happened,
Because there's nasty people in the world
I
who
have
do bad things.
Well, I'll get a broom.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Where they come from?
I don't know.
What's that?
What was that?
Oh,
Oh my god! That scared me. Woo!
maybe not a chemical. Hop.
But yeah.
It's chemical. We
You need help? You need help? It's on your.
Yeah.
I was like, what the hell? You work here?
No.
Oh. I thought it came from you. I thought you dropped something. I thought you worked here.
What's that?
I think it's bird food.
Oh, that's okay. Yeah, I worry the chemical.
Oh, chemical. No. It looked like bird food. Look. See?
Where they come from?
I think up
Oh,
there. You see that?
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe they come by. Maybe we get out now some more.
Yeah, I go get somebody. Wow, man. You got it on your hair too. You gotta go like this. Look. Go like this.
Oh.
Shake it. Shake it. There you go. Yeah, it's all in there, man. Shake it. Shake it. Yeah, you got it out.
What happened? I don't know. It's something from here. I don't know.
It just came down like that. I just heard something hit.
From over here?
I don't
Oh no, yeah, I heard it from over there. That's why. I just turn around and just see all that.
Yeah. But I don't see there's nothing, there's no bags up there.
Hey, you need me to move this.
It's like bird.
It looked like it came from up there.
Yeah, but there's nothing there but pipes. And it just looks like bird seed. Does it look like bird seed or something?
No, it doesn't seem.
Is it bird food? Looks like
It
like,
looks like
like
it, doesn't it?
rice. Oh, no, that's bird food.
I gotta go get a broom.
It's leak now. This room.
Yeah.
What the hell happened? Let's go.
What is that?
Let's go.
I'm not sure. I was grabbing this thing. It didn't come from my side, that's for sure. I think it came up there. What is that?
I have no idea. But
Oh my god. You need some help? You okay?
I will leave. I just.
Yeah, it's all over you here. I got
I
you.
understand where it come from.
Yeah, I was just grabbing this thing right here. I don't think it came out of this.
No.
No way.
Came from top somewhere.
I think it's bird food. Do you have bird food?
Like some
Like
kind of
seeds, like bird food. You know bird? Like the bird, yeah. That's what it looks like to me.
And I don't see any package, anything. It's just from
Wow.
nowhere.
Strange day.
It's like
I don't know.
nothing, no packaging, nothing. It's just like came down.